Hi guys, join me as I pay off a small S loan. So, at least na-reduce na yung S loans natin from 10 small loans. Naging 3 loans currently, and I'm going to pay off this one. Then, I will pay off the rest slowly hanggang ma-zero po yung S loan natin. So that ang i-worry ko na lang sa next is yung buy now, pay later na lang. And hopefully, I won't have to get from this source of funds in the near future kahit nagmamahalan na lahat. So I hope hindi ko na to siya magagamit later. So, yun lang guys. For those who are on a debt repayment journey, sana makapagbayad pa rin tayo kahit sa panahon ng giyera at taasan ng bills. Bye!